Whenever I'm talking to young filmmakers, I often mention to them that they should keep an eye on horror and thriller scripts as something that they should pursue to help their career move forward. And it's actually for two different reasons. One is in the business model of horror and thriller, they're concept driven. It's less vital to have a star, so that it is easier for a young filmmaker who doesn't quite have the connections or the reputation to lure a name brand person to the project. You can actually go out and make a very, very cool horror movie or a thriller based on a smart idea. So it helps young filmmakers get progress on their material more quickly than it would if they were doing a drama or a romantic comedy, which usually you really need that name brand to get it made. So from a business perspective, it's very smart. Similarly, in general, horror movies and genre movies travel the world really well. So again, if you're trying to make a name for yourself and launch yourself as a filmmaker, whether as a writer, producer, or director, the target is much bigger. There's many more doors that open up for horror or for thriller scripts. But to me, why chase some of the more challenging things as your first step in your career? You can be nurturing that and coaching it along, but get a couple movies under your belt, and a great way to start is horror and thriller. From a creative standpoint, I think it's also a really wise idea to look at horror movies and thrillers as a way to get started. I know some filmmakers are hesitant because they don't want to get pigeonholed, and they feel that they have more to offer to the world as a filmmaker than a simple straight-ahead horror movie. However, I would disagree. I think that thrillers are actually quite challenging to pull off. And if I'm a young filmmaker and I make a good one, I think that that sets the stage for a very promising career. And it doesn't pigeonhole you. It actually demonstrates that you can operate on many, many levels. You can keep pace going. You can have deep characters that are, again, deceptive and can turn the tables. You're driving a story that is a marketable and commercially based story, which unfortunately it's a business. We've all got to sell things across the world in order to make enough money to get another one made. So it's exciting to me when I hear about a young filmmaker who's tackling a horror movie or a thriller. I think it can open a lot of doors, and it has for filmmakers over the years. Surprisingly, some of the more interesting filmmakers out there came out of the horror. So as far as some interesting filmmakers from the past few years that have made an impact and are hopefully moving forward in their careers in a way that will even show off their talents more, Morton Tytham, who most people know from The Imitation Game. Prior to that, he directed a really great film in his home country, which I just actually heard today that he'll be remaking in the U.S. So it's called Headhunters, and it's a crazy movie, and that got him launched. But look at that path. He went from what was a comedy horror movie to The Imitation Game. What a classy advancement career-wise, right? So it just shows you, if you do a terrific job on a small thriller, small horror movie, the door's open. You can get the cast you need, and you can write your own ticket to doing something else.